In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a human electric chain in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the instinct, create a human electric chain in Goat Simulator 3, you will have to gather a bunch of people or humans and shock them all at once. So you should be able to get a lot of humans in a specific pit. Navigate to the Empyrean Mausoleum and start chucking random humans into the large pit in there. Now, like I said, I see most people grab 5 humans, but there isn't a set number. You can grab as many humans as you want, so make sure that you lick them, drag them over to this very large pit, and once you have all of them gathered up, then you will have to shock yourself. So, shock yourself and then run back to the pit. Remember that you can also headbutt the gravestones to force the deceased spirits to join your ritual there. So, once you are shocked and you have everyone who you are going to be using in the human electric chain on the pit, all that you have to do is go over there while shocked and start headbutting them using R2. Every time that you press R2, you will shock all the people around you. So, as long as you have them bunched up and you start shocking them to throw electricity balls at people, you will complete this objective. Make sure that you shock them all at once and you try to shoot in a general direction. As long as you have enough people there while you are shocked and you press R2 to throw electricity balls at people, they will all be shocked and the achievement or the instinct should be complete immediately. So once again, grab everyone that you see there, throw them at the very large pit, and then once you have enough, roughly 5 or up to 10 people, you will be able to shock yourself, run up to the pit, and press R2 to start shocking them. This will be completed as long as everyone is shocked simultaneously and you are together. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a human electric chain in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.